I'm Kate Irwin, Children's Program Coordinator at the Jessamine County Public Library, and today on Kids Craft at Home, we're going to make bird feeders.
To make our bird feeders, you'll need 1 cup of bird seed, 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, 2 teaspoons of corn syrup, 1/3 of a cup of water that you will later divide in half, a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and your cookie cutters, 4 2-inch long pieces of a drinking straw, twine or string to hang your bird feeders, a teaspoon for measuring, a mixing spoon, a mug or cup to hold hot water, and a saucepan. Your first step is to add half of your 1/3 cup of water to a bowl. Next, pour 2 teaspoons of the unflavored gelatin on top of the water. Pour some warm water into your mug, separate from the 1/3 cup we measured earlier. Use this to warm up your corn syrup. It'll make it easier to pour later. Pour the remainder of your 1/3 cup of water into your saucepan and bring it to a boil. Remember to always have adult help when using a stove and hot water. Pour your boiling water into the bowl with the cold water and gelatin and mix thoroughly. Once the gelatin is completely dissolved in the water, add 2 teaspoons of corn syrup. Heating your container of corn syrup in your mug of hot water helps make it easier to pour. However, it is still very thick and you'll have to have patience. Stir the mixture well to combine all of the ingredients. Next, add your cup of birdseed. Mix well and put in the refrigerator to set for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take your birdseed out of the refrigerator. It should be firm to the touch. Now we're ready to begin filling our cookie cutters with birdseed. It's important to make sure and place the sharp edge of your cookie cutter down on the parchment paper. Using a spoon, fill your cookie cutters with the birdseed mixture. Make sure to tap the birdseed mixture into all the little corners and crevices of your cookie cutter. Take your straw and place it into the center of each bird feeder, working it all the way down till it touches the parchment paper on the cookie sheet. Pack the bird seed around the straw and into the corners of the cookie cutter so that it is firm. Once you have done this for all 4 of your bird feeders, you will place them in the refrigerator overnight to harden. With your extra bird food, you can fill extra cookie cutters or even use paper cups as molds. After letting them set overnight, remove your bird feeders from the refrigerator and have your twine close by. Remove the straws from each bird feeder and set them aside. Remove each bird feeder by gently pressing it out of the cookie cutter. Thread the twine through the hole in the center of each bird feeder and tie the ends together. Your bird feeders are now ready for hanging in the trees or bushes in your yard.